mainly where the Israelites dwell. Most of the Negroes are, you know, the poor. They were evidently in more distressed areas of our area, and they were working with people who had really gotten out of balance. They were very religious and very filled with such joy in the face of what seemed to be a lot of obstacles to overcome. So I felt very good where they were. They were beautiful spirits, and they needed a lot of extra encouragement. All right? So just keep that in mind. This is why we're out here. When you see Israelites out there on the streets speaking, it's a spiritual thing, okay? Everybody ain't meant to get this truth. There's only a few that's going to get it, all right? So if you can't understand what this video is about, then hey, and move on. But those of you who understand, now you know why. This is just more proof. These are chariots seen in California. This one looks like a ring.
You know what that is?
This one's in London. That's a helicopter. The chariot's right above it. So if that is real, hopefully that was some good information for you to see that the angels are black. They were just like the Israelites, and they were going to be redeemed soon. All right?
Now look at that. You can see that that is the triangle that's always by the sun. With no doubt in your mind, you've seen this. Now look at that. Because you know what we're going to do? We're going to go right to my page and I'm going to show you that. You can see that triangle right there. All right? Now don't even try to act like you can't, because I know you can. Right? Now watch this. Let's see what we can find here. Now that little triangle shaped thing that you saw right there, let's see. We might be able to get one right here.
Let's see. Now he said he was going to take something spiritual and
What we got here?
himself out in the middle of the
Triangle,
night.
look at that.
Looking at right now. This is 12 o'clock noon that I'm
See?
taking this picture. And as you can see, the sun just makes the background go black. So if the lights can have a contrast so you can see it.
See, now this is my camera right there, taking those triangle pictures of light orbs.
You can read about it. It happens 3 times too. It doesn't happen to.
Now these light orbs that you're looking at right now, I took with my camera, the same camera I'm recording this with right now. Okay? Now the triangles that you're seeing as light orbs right now are the same light orbs with at rim they can manifest into heavy armored structured flying vessels. They change from those light entities that you can actually see through and take on manifestations of hardened steel. And I know that the only way they can do that is that they are receiving immediate energies from our supreme creator essence goddess. That's her brain that's making those manifestations from coagulation of mental thoughts. That means that she's got her conscious as well as subconscious and unconscious mind involved with the reparation of planet Earth and the straight up regeneration of all of it. And I do mean all of it. And the eradication of the people opposing threat to my objective has already been ordained and has 100% clearance. So it's not a good idea to be out there fighting me or making altercations with me where you have bad interactions, because this is what you're going to deal with. And it's just that simple. Go ahead and let your egos make you be a dumbass and you're going to deal with this. I hate to be the one to tell you that, but that's the truth. You should know that. That is me as the Buddha representing myself in the middle of the time that the talk will be talked, and a good reason for you to listen, with the 7 cosmic forces over my head, as you can see there in the picture in stone. hundreds of years old, thousands of years old. So this is not something that you would want to be taking a chance on labeling me as a loudmouth nigga and not being sure that that be the circumstances, because the outcome of that, you being wrong, means that you are going to be having your ass into a world of shit. That's the true dynamics of it. So I've proven to you guys that we do have a federation of starships that is upset with our homelessness, our depression altogether, joblessness, all of that is coming to an end. Even if it means